Hello everyone, today we are going to start with a new question on page number 88. Question is, how many elements are there in the first, second, third and fourth periods? As we know, there are 7 periods in our modern periodic table. So, to find out the number of electrons present in the shell, it will help us to find out the number of elements present in the given period. And the rule we have studied in 9th class, that is 2n square rule under the Bohr's and Buddy scheme, where n is the number of shell, which is K, L, M, N. Means for K, value of n is 1. For L, value of n is 2. For M, value of n is 3. For N, value of n is 4. Now we will put the values one by one in the 2n square rule. For K shell, as we know, K shell having value 1 means 2 1 square, it is 2 multiply 1, which is 2. We can conclude now, in period number 1 there are how many elements? Only 2. Those are hydrogen and helium, as we know. Now for the second shell, which is L shell, value will be 2. Then we will fill the value of n here in the 2n square rule. It will be 2 multiplied 2 to the 4, which is 8. What does it mean? There are 8 elements in second period. Means we start from atomic number 3 to 10. From lithium to neon. We can understand this concept with the help of magic numbers. Magic numbers are 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. This will help us to find out the number of elements in the given periods. As we know, there are 7 periods. We will write here the period number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, first period 2 elements, second period 8 elements, third period 8 elements, fourth period 18 elements, fifth period 18 elements, sixth period 32 elements, seventh period 32 elements. This all is helpful to find out the kind of bonds formed by the elements to form the compound, as well as it will indicate regarding the electronic configuration and valence shell electrons of the particular elements. Description of modern periodic table. We will know more about groups and periods, as by knowing these elements and their positions in the period and group number of modern periodic table, we will be able to continue our studies well in higher classes also. That's why more explanation is needed. In this table, the vertical columns are groups, and these groups are 1A, 2A, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 7B collectively. Iron, cobalt, nickel, 8B for 8, 9, 10. 1B, 2B, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A and 8A. According to latest IUPAC system, there are 18 groups in all, and these groups are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Important groups are group 1. Group 1 is also known as alkali metals. Those are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These elements are present in group 1, which is also known as alkali metals. Group 2 elements are known as alkaline earth metals. Those are beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Now another group which is very important here, that is group number 15. These elements are known as nicogens. Elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, moscovium. Group number 16 elements are known as chalcogens or ore forming elements. It involves oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, livermorium. Group number 17 elements are known as halogens, which are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, tennessine. And group number 18 elements are inert gases or noble gases, which are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, oganesson. Elements of group number 1, group number 2, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17 are called main group elements or normal elements or typical elements or known as representative elements. And elements of group number 3 to 12, these elements, these are called transition elements. Some information regarding the periods now. As in the today's lecture, we have studied about the magic numbers. There are 7 periods, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the magic number is 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32, which specifies the number of elements present in the specific period. First period is the shortest period of this periodic table because it contains 2 elements, hydrogen, helium. Period number 2, which is also known as bridge elements. Those elements are called bridge elements. It involves 8 elements: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, from atomic number 3 to 10. We call them bridge elements. Period number 3 involve elements from atomic number 11 to 18: sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. And these elements are called typical elements. Elements of period number 3. These are again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements. Now period number 4, having elements from atomic number 19 to 36. These are 18 elements. And period number 5 again having 18 elements starting from atomic number 37 to 54. Sixth period, these 2, 4 and 5 are the long periods. Period number 6. It has 32 elements having atomic number 55 to 86 elements. And it is longest period. Period 7. It is incomplete period. It has elements with atomic numbers 87 onwards. All the elements. Those are 25 elements here. The elements having atomic number 58 to 71 in the 6th period and group 3 from here are called lanthanides. these 14 elements cause starting here is lanthanum. With its name, all the elements are known as lanthanides. Next one, actinides. Elements having atomic number 90 to 103 are called actinides. In the seventh period, again group number 3. Those are called actinides. Lanthanides and actinides have been placed separately at the bottom of periodic table are collectively known as inner transition elements. All these elements are called inner transition elements. On the basis of outer electronic configuration, this table can be divided into the 4 block elements. These are elements of group number 1 and 2 are known as S block elements. These elements of 2 groups, those are S block elements. P block elements from group elements of group number 13 to 18, these elements are called P block elements, and elements from group number 3 to 12, these are called D block elements or transition elements. Elements placed at the bottom of periodic table in the 2 horizontal rows are known as F block element or inner transition elements. In the modern periodic table, there are 4 types of elements: metals, non-metals, metalloid. These are metalloids. And here, noble gases. These metalloids separates metals from non-metals. This is the portion of non-metal, and here are the noble gases. Thanks for watching.